To remember the squares from 25 to 125, you should be thorough with squares from 1 to 25. So let's learn how to calculate the squares from any number from 25 to 125 orally. So here is the first question. What is the square of 52? What I am going to do is 52 is near to 50. So I am going to compare 52 with a 50. 52 is 2 more than 50. So the square of 52 will come in 2 steps. The first step is whatever be the extra part, right? In this case it's a 2 extra. So I am going to add this 2 to 25. So 25 plus 2 is going to be a 27. And the second part is whatever be the extra, take the square of that number. So 2 square is 04. It's a 4, but I'm going to use 2 digits, right? So I'm going to use a 04. So my answer is 2704. Okay. So let's go to the next question. What is the square of 56? First step is 56 is how much more than 50? It's 6 more than. Add this 6 to 25. 25 plus 6 is 31. Now the second step is square of 6. 6 square is 36. My answer is 3136. Right? Okay. Now if I want to find 57 square, right? So it is as simple as that. 57 square is nothing but 7 extra. So add this 7 to 25. It's a 32. 7 square 49. Let's take one more example where the number is less. So if the number is extra, I'm going to add. If the number is less, I'm going to subtract. So 48 is 2 less than 50. I'm going to subtract this 2 from 25. So 25 minus 2 is a 23. And the square of minus 2 is obviously it's a 04. The answer is 2304. Answer is 2304. That is 2304. Let's take one more example. 38 square. It's 12 less than. So what I'm going to do is 25 minus 12 is a 13. And the square of 12 is 144. But hold on. We have discussed I am only interested in the last 2 digits. So what will happen to this one? It will be carry forward to the next number. So 13 plus 1 is become 14. My answer is 1444. Let's take one more example. 67 square. It's 17 more than 50. 25 plus 17 is a 42. And 17 square is 289. So 89 and 2 will be carry forward. So 42 plus 2 is 44. Answer is 4489. So let's calculate this square. 57 square 3249. 63 square 13 extra, so 38, and 169, so is 3969. 49 square is 1936. 41 square 9 less, so 25 minus 9 is a 16, and square of 9 is 81, so it's a 1681. 34 square 16 less, so 25 minus 16 is a 9. 16 square is 256. 2 carry over, so it has to be a 1156. As simple as that. Okay, so these are the method which is helpful in finding the square of number from 25 to 75. Let's learn the next method, which is squares from 76 to 125. I am going to compare this number with a base as 100, right? So let's look at how to find 102 square. Okay, same step. Answer comes out in 2 steps. First step is comparison. So I'm going to compare 102 with 100. It's a 2 more than 100. So in this method, you have to add this extra to the number itself. In the last method, we are adding to 25. In this example, we are going to add this 2 to the number itself. So 102 plus 2 is 104 and 2 square is 0, 4. So yes, we are done with our answer. It has to be a 10404, right? Isn't it simple? Okay, next example, 108 square. Adding 8 to 108 itself, so it is a 160 and 8 square is a 64. So my answer has to be a 11664, 11,664. 98 square, so it's a less, we are going to subtract. 98 is 2 less than 100, subtract 2 from 98, I will be left with a 96, and square of minus 2 is a 04. So answer is 9604. Okay, let's take one more and the final example. 117 square. Add this 17 to 170, it's a 134. Square of 17 is 289. So my answer has to be a 13689. So I hope you are clear with this method. Last example, squares of numbers that ends with 5. It is as simple as that. So suppose if I want to find 85 square, it will be also done in 2 steps. The first step is 5 square, which is a 25, and the second step is look at this number before 5, so it's a 8. The number comes after 8 is a 9, so my answer has to be a 8 into 9, which is 72. For example, if I want to find 65 square, first step 5 square 25, second step 6 into 7 42. 35 square 5 square 25, what comes after 3? 3 into 4, 3 into 4 is a 12. Final example, 135 square, so 5 square is a 25, and what comes after 13? 13 after 13 it's a 14, so 13 into 14 is a 182. So answer is 18,222.